I think that selling cars is one of the most important jobs in the world. We don't just provide cars, but it's how people get their kids to school, how they get to work, how they take their parents to see the doctor. It is truly an amazing industry we're in, and the opportunity we provide for employees and customers is unlike anything else. We are here to encourage people and develop people and help them grow, but we also do that with a lens towards selling cars and towards selling service and parts and F&I. For us to do what we want to do, for us to change lives, we have to be a high-performing organization. Car Pros was started in the mid-90s by my dad. Started as a used car lot. After I joined the company, we got our first new car store. Currently, we have 9 dealerships. We represent Kia, Hyundai, Honda, and BMW. So one of the things that's really important to us is having operational consistency across our dealerships. And we need software that's flexible enough that I can run my dealership the way I want. By utilizing CDK across the enterprise, it makes our life a lot easier.
The complete package of CDK has been really helpful, useful, efficient here at Car Pros. It gives us the tools to be able to focus on selling cars, fixing cars, and providing service to our customers.
One of the things that impressed me most with CDK is how versatile their software is. There's efficiencies with being able to deal with only one vendor.
CDK is on top of talking with dealers, talking with techs, talking with advisors, talking with managers to get an overall view of an action plan to make it better, to make it seamless.
We could not operate without the CDK Foundation Suite. It allows the departments to communicate, operate effectively with each other, whether it's from going from parts to service, from service directly right into accounting. I don't want to call it magic, but it brings it all together.
Service pricing is a big tool. Text Connect, the text reminders through CDK. ServiceView is another place where I get all my reporting. The digital MPIs. CDK has done a good job with giving enough tools under their umbrella to make our day-to-day, simple. Tools like this have made it more achievable to build a better relationship with a customer. It builds a foundation of trust, and we need the customers to trust us in order to build retention. CDK makes it manageable for a manager like myself to be able to kind of have that eagle-eye view of a little bit of everything. Every organization wants to be profitable, right? So in order to find areas of opportunity, I need data, and all that comes from the reports that I can gather and build within CDK.
One of the really aha moments is in our parts department. Inside the Intelligence Suite, we were able to go in and run one report, and it showed us what is our true obsolescence. Click of a button, and I was able to download it at ease and then come back and develop an action plan.
If we need help with something, I get action, I get calls back. Somebody's usually out here fixing it within that 24 hours of me making that phone call.
If a dealership needs some additional support, you're not alone here.
CDK being around as long as they have and being at so many dealers and knowing the reports that I need, competitors don't have that edge. I get the same feeling from them that I do from Car Pros, is that they care.
Knowing that we're partnered with CDK makes me confident that we'll have the tools to pivot and meet whatever challenges come in the future.